Well, hello there, YouTube. It's Ro here. Thank you for visiting You Grow Ro. If this is your first time here, I hope you'll consider subscribing at the end of this video. If you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate you. Today, I'm doing a couple updates, and I have a surprise in just a moment. I'll tell y'all what, if nothing else is going on here in Ohio, it is for sure raining. It has been raining like non-stop for what feels like forever. I think I actually mentioned that, but the plants are loving it. They are just exploding. Let me show you. Check out this kohlrabi. It has doubled in size in a matter of, what, a week? That is looking fantastic. And this nasturtium over here lost its mind. It was half this size a week ago. Now look at it. I'm not complaining. I love it. I love it. But man. And also this lettuce, which was a volunteer, exploded with growth as well. Same over here with this oregano. And look, my rose mint. It's flowering, yay! In addition, this Feverfew and these cucumbers, they're loving the rain as well. Look at all of this. This dill, holy smokes. And the tarragon. Check out my pineapple sage. Fabulous. Uh-oh. I waited too long. This little baby baby cauliflower. Looking rough. Shoot. Things are going equally well over here. My extracta sage exploded. Absolutely exploded. Looks like I'm gonna have yellow flowers on this here nasturtium. Cool. My dwarf tomatoes that I put out in this green stalk, they too are loving all of this rain. Same here. And don't even get me started on this chard. I mean, everybody is out here making me look like the world's greatest gardener. I haven't done anything. It's just all this rain. Check out this pepper. Nice. Very nice. You too. You too. That's the pumpkin pepper. You look good. My calendula is flowering. This pumpkin squash, whatever this thing is doing real good. Oh, look. The squirrels found some potatoes I left behind. Fun. Those potatoes back there just kind of fell over in all this rain, I guess. That's fine. Ooh, look at these nasturtiums. Fantastic. Lots of growth on these tomatoes and stuff as well. I think I'm going to go ahead and pull some of these red giant mustards. I got enough plants that I don't need to let that many of them go to seed. My broccoli's looking good. More calendula flowering. Look at these walking onions. That's a pearl onion. That's not a walking onion. I mean, it is a walking onion, but it's huge. And they're all like this. That's fabulous. Look at this one. Wowza. See, another red giant mustard. I don't need this many seeds. I can go ahead and pull those. Look at these nasturtiums. Y'all know these weren't that big before. Look at them now. They're absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I'm feeling rain again. Surprise. And my celery took off. This is the pink celery. I'm gonna have to cut these nasturtiums back. My fern leaf lavender is looking amazing. And my yarrow is coming up real nice. My Kalettes are doing great. Like, everything is loving all this water except for me. I can't get out here, but evidently my plants don't need me all that much. Oh no. Somebody got my strawberry before me. Shoot. I saw one over here too. Let's see. Okay, this one's okay. So much growth. Wow, and look, my tree lilies took off like crazy. Let's see. Here's my peanuts. Look, and somebody's trying to get to them. But I put baskets over them. The ones that were left, at least. I planted probably 20 of them. I only got about 5, but I guess that's better than none. Let's see what else we can see real quick here before the rain makes me run in. Oh, if you could just smell this, my goodness. That peaches and cream honeysuckle smells amazing. My grapes are looking good. That's really pleasing to see. First time ever for me. Let's see if I have any blueberries. Oh, but I do. These are looking great. They're coming along. Nobody stole them from me yet. I haven't seen the bunnies this year. I don't know where they're at. These tomatoes took off. These are dwarfs. I don't know what they are because my tags are faded already. But they're starting to flower. Okay, the rain is picking up. So let me show you the surprise right quick. Oh, look at my apples. Yay. You know what? I'm going to have to Google when to pick them. What if they're just supposed to be that small? I don't know. If you guys grow apples, let me know. I guess I'll do some research on YouTube Versity. But I was up in my office looking out during the rain, that window right there, when I spotted something on top of the garage. Let's go check it out. If it's what I think, this is pretty exciting development, at least to me. Horseradish. Yeah, I was right. Look at this. I'm pretty sure those are mulberries. Oh. Too cool, guys. Too cool. Let's go back here. Yeah. Wow, that is so exciting. I don't know. It must be coming from my neighbor's yard. That is the first year in the almost 3 years I've been here that it's I've seen this. They have a few plants back here. That's wonderful. Oh, yay, more fruit. Look, a lot of it's dropping in all this rain. Oh, and I'm so excited about that. Ooh, my Astilbe came back. Yay. Yeah, so that's what I wanted to show you guys. Look at all that fruit I'm going to be able to get. And this thing is huge. I imagine if I scurry on back here behind the garage, I can figure out where it's coming from. So, being that they are not my plants, I am going to go on the next street over and ask the neighbor if they mind. They're not taking care of it, so my guess is they won't care if I harvest the fruit. So, yay, I am super excited. I am going to have more fruit on the property. And if I'm lucky, maybe some of those dropped fruits will start a new plant. My camera is making its own adjustment, but it's pretty dark back there. That's surprising that it's doing so well. Anyways, so I'll update you guys and let you know what the neighbor says. Like I said, I can't imagine they're gonna tell me no, but you never know. All right, friends, so that was it. Just a little surprise that I found, and now I'm super excited about. As much as my plants are loving this rain, I would really like a couple of days to go by where there is no rain so that I can get out here and tend to things. But we'll just have to play it by ear and see what happens. All right, friends, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share with your family and friends. And I will see you all in another video on another day. Until then, happy growing, my friends.